how to log into PNC Bank online banking or mobile banking account on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into the PNC Bank mobile banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are an iPad user and then you would like to log into your PNC banking application over here, so make sure that you download the correct application from your app store. Once you've done that, it will ask you for your location access, but if you are sure about that, you can do that, or you can tap on yes, I want to sign in. So all you have to do here is just make sure to enter your user ID. Once you enter your user ID, you can also make sure to enter your password. Now in case you don't remember your password, you can tap the reset password option that you can find from here, and once you tap the reset password option from here, you should be able to go ahead and then see a couple of other details and successfully reset your password. This way you should be able to log in, if your details are correct, to the PNC Bank online banking app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.